Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. The height of the rally that occurred here makes me change the wave count. What I'd like to do is I'm going to move the wave 4 over here. And let me just, no, here. Yeah, let me just think if this is correct. 3. Yeah, this is fine. And then what we're dealing with here is most likely a slightly different structure for the bearish count. Okay, doesn't make a difference really at the moment. It's just that due to the height of the rally, I have to change the wave degrees. So to keep it all correct, my idea would be that here we had a wave 1 to the downside. This was a wave 2, this was a 3, and this might be a 4 with one more low to come. That would be currently my expectation here. Oops, let's leave that white. So basically wave 4 topped on the 8th of November, a wave 1 to the downside, then here an ABC structure, A, B, C to the upside, like this. So, and then we have a valid structure that we can deal with here. And the idea is, yeah, we come up in a wave 4 in a diagonal structure here. But at the moment, the move up is only in 3 waves, okay? Wave 4 might have topped here on Saturday at around $6.41. And yeah, at the moment, one more low is likely to come. Now, of course, things can change, but at the moment, I only have a 3-wave move to the upside. So the current structure, in my opinion, doesn't make Link really compelling for a proper trade, on the long side at least, because I cannot establish any clear reward to risk. Yeah, well, I could against this low here, but then as long as I don't have a 5-wave move to the upside, as indicated in yellow, this is what I need to see. This is what the market would need to prove. This is not primary expectation at the moment, but if market does it, then I can at least calculate a wave 4 support area. And if I can do that and price gets into this region, it allows for a long trade of that area in a so-called 1-2 setup, where I can establish reward and risk, because I can measure my stop and set the stop below the low, which I can do now as well, but I just have no indication at the moment that the trend is changing, because as per Elliott wave, I only have a 3-wave move up. Now, if I get a 5-wave move up again, then I have a valid wave 1, at least I can look at it that way, and then a wave 2 to the downside, okay? But at the moment, the current structure doesn't make it really compelling. It hasn't even broken about any or above any structural resistance levels. All it has done so far was to break above the level where the sell-off started on the 9th of June, but it didn't even sustain above that level. Okay, so from that point of view, lower low still expected at the moment. Could also label that a little bit differently here on the way down, but for now I leave it as it is. I could I could, okay, let me just show you an alternative count. So I could say the move down here was a wave 1, a wave 2. The wave 3 would be still in the making. That would be even more bearish. Then a 4 and a 5. I would then look at this also as an ending diagonal, and here A, B, C, possible as well. Yeah, but either way, nothing really attractive at the moment. I need a solid 1-2 setup to the upside. And until I see that, honestly, it is at best uncertain and at worst bearish, with a projected target down into the 290 to 350 region. Let's see if we get there. On the other hand, if we see a 5-wave move up, ideally above resistance here, somewhere around $6.70, $7. If it goes above that, it would be even better. In 5 waves, then I can give you a proper reversal area for a wave 2, and then we have a valid reversal pattern to the upside. ultimately, and that's hopefully clear, LINK needs to break above this major resistance area to really give us a stronger confirmation the trend is shifting, but we are far away from that. That's around 950. LINK performance incredibly poor. If we compare it to what Bitcoin did, since November 22, I mean, LINK is just losing out, okay? Yeah, so we just need to be aware of that. As long as there is no uptrend, we cannot say that LINK is going to go back into a bull run. We first need that signal, as I said, like a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. At least then we have a solid pattern. Okay, that's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.